Hey guys, my name is Carp. I'm the awkward guy who you're about to see stumble through 6 minutes and 3 seconds of the YouTube video equivalent of Milton Wadham's from Office Space if he went through intense speech therapy but still retained his occasional stutter and still had no idea how to get his point across. Now, I'm pretty sure there's only one thought in that pretty little head of yours, dear viewer, and that thought is, Carp, why are you voicing over an MS Paint stick figure in a forward? And why am I not staring back at the gentleman who I saw in the thumbnail YouTube video with the mustache gap bigger than the space that Jesus created whenever he parted the Red Sea? Well, dear viewer, I'm here to let you know that I was absolutely terrified of talking to an inanimate object with the thought of people looking at me. Just like your grandma's borderline hairless, petrified, and shaking poodle after it locks eye contact with your grandfather who just pounded his 12th Yingling of the night. Now, after reviewing the magnus opus that my megamind red-headed brain made, I decided that I can do better, utilizing a tactic that I'm gonna go ahead and dub Carp's underlying message voiceover. So, yeah. This is absolutely hilarious, and you know it is. So yes, I'm gonna sit here using my proprietary method, and I'm gonna explain and critique a video of myself when I could definitely re-record in less of a Chester cheese cornball manner. But in this way, I'm a lot less shy when you can't see me. Hope you enjoy. Hello, my name is Kenny, but everybody calls me Carp, and I am an unprofessional cybersecurity professional. I work cosplay, doing malware analysis, mostly at the entry level, and that's kind of why the channel name is Carp Malware. Put it together, you get fucking Carpware. It just makes sense, and albeit corny. Holy Sheldon Cooper, this guy is a nerd. Fuck it. So I have 3 distinct passions that kind of led me to create this YouTube channel. Cybersecurity, tame but, not so tame vulgarity that buds into comedy, and teaching. Cybersecurity, it's my job. It's kind of what I was built and bred to do. As soon as I came out of the womb, I knew that's what I want to do. That's what I want to be whenever I grow up. Maybe not a malware researcher or analyst, but, shit fucking happens. Don't let this guy sit here and fool you. I always wanted to do malware. The backwards hat is a facade. I'm on Dexter's laboratory level. It is what it is. Specifically on the cybersecurity, though, everybody sees it nowadays. People are getting scammed left and right from AI or just old people who don't know how to work computers. They need help. You can be the one to help them. Cybersecurity is a really big deal. A lot of people should take it a lot more serious because it's becoming ever more prevalent that it's important. People should really focus on it and use it in their everyday life to kind of mitigate getting scammed or, practicing good home security from hackers. It's just a good practice to know. On the vulgarity part, reason number 2, it's a part of my personality. I like to make people laugh, and I augment it with, some cussing. YouTube is not going to monetize me. Newsflash, it's not because you cuss, it's because you take longer pauses when talking than a James Charles apology video. Number 3, teaching and educating, right? Second thing I knew whenever I wanted to come out of the womb, after the cybersecurity part, was I wanted to teach and really help people. I really want to be a person that can help people understand topics. Originally, I wanted to be a history teacher. Well, I kind of went into cyber because, that was the first thought out of the womb. This guy is a broken record. He sounds like a TikTok live NPC. Going into cyber, as I started to grow up, I realized there's just not a lot of focus on history. It's all, you're taught how to do cyber. You're taught, despite whatever pathway you go through, whether it be developing network analysis, building networks, or even Linux. What the fuck is Linux? Okay, I will actually die on this hill. Linux is the monster of an operating system that hides under my bed, and I'm like a child trying to grasp the idea of it by reading Baby's First Command Line. Anyways, I knew I wanted to teach, and I can build upon that with cyber. So, cyber history. On the channel, I'm planning on covering a lot of history that malware has taken, covering super interesting topics like Stuxnet, WannaCry. I'm actually greatly underselling here. I definitely plan on covering not just malware, but current, past, and speculating on future cyber history, in my own kind of director's cut way. Just 2 malwares to name off the top of the dome piece. You know, Phil Collins once said, "In learning, you will teach, and in teaching, you will learn." He did a lot of coke, but, you know, it's a pretty damn good quote. Fuck it. Forget Phil Collins said it. Just focus on the quote. This channel will serve as a Phil Collins ally. You know, as I teach people, it will make me better at my job. And you guys learn something. I learn a lot more because I have to put time into creating the videos. Nice shameless humble brag you got there, Syndrome. Real fucking class. And really knowing my topics, because I wouldn't want little Timmy to fucking go out there and go log onto his grandma's computer and start fucking telnetting out, you know, after he saw some fucking video that I showed him what port telnet was, and lo and behold, fucking homeboy in a different country has his grandma's credit card information. At the end of the day, teaching my viewers will help me learn my career field better. And you guys take away something, I take away something. It's a win-win. To summarize, buckle up if you made it this far, ladies and germs, for what follows is more awkward than any comparison I can cook up in my noggin. I'm here to give a little bit of knowledge, take a little bit of knowledge. Hopefully you can watch these YouTube videos when you're eating on your lunch break. You can watch them in your car, hopefully while not driving. You know, somehow you found my channel. Just watch the videos, see what you learn, give a sub, give a like, hit that subscribe button. Don't fucking do that. Don't fucking say that. God, that's so fucking stupid. This shit is doomed. Fuck. Hope you enjoy. The quality will get better. My bad. I gotta get rid of this fucking thing, whatever this is. Super cool outro. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, take it in. This, my friends, is peak content for a first video. Hope you enjoy whatever I stutter through next.